Imphal is district ki Wakha-Da Manipur University of Culture ki campus sangbat sagatpagi thabak asi sahi sigi manungda loisinlaba yai campus asina mapung fana loisilaklaba matamda inakhulaba lamdam asigi cultural education amadi research ta hena mapangal kangkhat hanba amadi Wakha-Da University asina Achouba Thoudang Lourakkani haina University asigi chancellor ge thausu puriba Manipur ge governor Bhalla na phongdokrai ngasi Imphal gi City Convention Center da Manipur University of Culture MUC gi ahanba Convocation thoram pangthokrai thoram aduga mari leinana Governor Bhalla na makataraduna hai Cultural Studies amade research ta yumpham oiba awangpok state singi ahanba university oiriba Manipur University of Culture asi Manipur gi khaknatana awangpok state singi culture yokatpam mahikol nei Manipur University of Culture Act 2015 gi Wakha-Da linkhatuna Kumja sing aniga taraturuk tagi academic session horakiba university asina khunai asiga sagona duna laklaba jago isai theater lining gi oiba thoram martial arts amadi oral literature sing yokhatuna hawgalakli bamirol singa khangan mada Achouba Thoudang lauri Kumja sing ani kunmanga kunmari gi academic session loiba fawda university asina master of arts graduate loiraba mahiroi chamanga ga marifu tare amadi bachelor of arts graduate Sabanga ga nifumapan puthokpa ngambagi mathakta ngasi university asida puna mahiroi lising amaga sani humudra matoi enroll tawri haiki telba matam khara asida university asina mangjil thana changsilakpa si yenglaga lenga na honaduna Ministry of Environment Forest and Climate Change na Imphal district ki Wakha-Da lam hectar 39.9 ama pak sauba Lamama University asigi campus sana by allotment pirakrai Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast Region gi Wakha-Da Donor Ministry na University asigi campus asi sana ba lupa crore la kuntrama thoiga tara nipan gi sentang kai tharakrai Anouba campus asi sem sabagi thabak khumang na sangsili sahi asigi manungda loisilaba yai haina panari campus asina saba loibaga Matam basuna bamongda mahimasin takpi tamiduna culture Wakha-Da hena kumang sauction bangam lagane hena phongdokhi ngasigi thoram maduda art and culture gi commissioner H Gyan Prakash Urkel University of Culture Bhubaneswar gi vice chancellor Professor Prasant Kumar Swan amadi MUC gi vice chancellor Professor Paunam Gunindra susarugya ki MUC gi ahanma convocation aduda university asigi mahiroi singda certificate sing khusina ki
Today's occasion is particularly special as it's the very first convocation of this esteemed institution. It's therefore not only a celebration of academic achievement but also an important milestone in the advancement of cultural education in the state of Manipur. As a unique institution dedicated to the preservation, promotion and academic study of Manipur's rich cultural heritage. Since the commencement of its academic session in 2016, it has steadily developed into an important center of learning where tradition and scholarship come together. The development of the university's infrastructure is also progressing steadily. Further strengthening this initiative, Ministry of Donor under the Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast Region has sanctioned 31 crores for infrastructure development. The construction work is currently in full swing and is expected to be completed before end of the calendar year.